jump in the puddle?
Nice.
I think I'm soaked.
You may be a little soaked. Oh, mommy getting into it.
Ready? We're going to check. 1, 2, 3, go. You want to go? Come on, ready? 1, we're going to open it. 2, 3, go. Oh!
Maybe you do it harder. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh!
We have to do it. We have to do it really, really fast.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Hey, tell him not to tell us.
Huh?
Tell him not to tell us.
Oh, yeah, you just pulled in.
All right.
Are you getting wet? Are you going to jump in the puddle?
All right. You're in the way there, woman. Nice. Wow. Oh!
She's getting it now. She's getting the hang of it now. There you go, Rex. That was good. You got it. Jump in.
You're a little wet, Nove. It's perfect weather for it, huh?
Yeah, it is really, because it's not cold.
Mom, can you get a bucket?
Here, where'd our bucket go? Oh, here.
Has rocks inside it. Can you just dump the rocks out?
Hey, Rexy. What's going on, dude? How you doing? Are you getting wet?
You getting wet? No, you look pretty wet.
What are you guys doing?
Here. I don't know. No one to the bucket. Can you share with Rex? No? Are you going to do it all out?
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Something very bad's going to happen with us.
I don't think we have a shovel over here.
Can somebody get one, please?
What do you need a shovel for?
Can I get some water out of the hole? I want to do that, please.
I don't know. We're jumping in.
There's more water inside here. You like splash so you can get...
Splash to get water in the bucket?
Uh-huh. It's a splashing game. It's a splashing game. It's a game.
You want your hood back on?
No. No, Rex.
What? Oh yeah, I did tell her and you were gonna share me. Rex, can you take it and then bring it back, okay?
No, I don't want the water out, Rex.
There's plenty of water to go back in, Obi.
Please turn it back. No, Rex. Oh my God.
Hug me! I'm
yucky.
wet and dirty.
Yucky.
No.
I'm getting a shovel.
All right, go.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Mom, I'm getting a shovel.
Yeah, I said all right, go. Okay, there. What was the girl's name from Incredible?
Violet.
Violet. Where are you going? Nova's coming right back. She just went to get a shovel. Hopefully she'll get two. Will you have the bucket? No, you stay here. Rex. Rexy. Rex. You stay here. My shoes are all squeaky.
Rex.
Hey, I said you stay here.
There's one over here, Chris.
There's what?
There's a pile of little tools over here.
There is?
Yeah. I told you, Mommy. What they need, though, is 2 different buckets.
Yeah, we can fill the bucket.
No, they can't. You can ask them to.
It was so funny. They were like out here arguing over the umbrellas. Neither one of them wanted to get wet. They were like looking at the puddles like they didn't know what to do. I'm like, it's a puddle.
I got a vat of water boiling, or getting on a boil.
Why?
For soup.
Oh.
I always make soup.
Alright.
Throw a bunch of stuff in it later. Well, 'cause we're gonna have so much chicken.
That's good.
Yeah.
Soup is good.
Soup's always good.
Yeah, honey. You shoveling into the bucket. Nice.
Yep.
You're digging.
Yeah, digging and shoveling near the bucket.
Oh, Nova, hold it up so you can put it in. There you go.
You gotta leave it flat. There you go. Well, yeah, if you leave it flat, then he can get it too. You can help with the rocks. That's right, buddy. You're digging.
Yeah, with the shovel.
I'm so tempted. I just have to do this. So you know what, Nov? You know what's going on? Your bum is really close to the water. Got it. Just like I got. She's just too close. I just have to do that. Good to see our children working together.
That's right.
Towards what end, we have no idea. And that's probably pretty scary.
Can you make a beach?
Yeah.
I think you're kind of on the beach right now, honey.
Huh?
Oh, it's the patented Nova, huh?
Yeah.
Want this one? Want one?
It's like, which end do I use?
We traded Rex.
Oh, Rex, wait a minute. Wait, Rex. You can't just steal it away from her. You have to ask her for it.
She gave you guys traded.
Yeah. So now I get throw it.
You're gonna have to wait until it's your turn.
You can use the purple one for a while. Why not?
He doesn't like how it feels, I think.